Quality of life insurance helps cover multiple needs with just one policy, so it can really help families secure their financial future in an affordable way. One aspect that makes quality of life insurance so appealing is the Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider. It can provide living benefits should you experience any of several qualifying events.
If either my wife and I got sick in some kind of long-term sickness, I think we would be in pretty big trouble. And we've talked about that too, that we know we would struggle. We're not really sure what we would do.
Here's a hypothetical example of how quality of life insurance may help a typical American family. Andrew and Sharon are a couple in their mid-30s with 2 small children. Like many married couples in the United States today, they both have jobs outside the home and depend on each other's income to maintain their standard of living. Since starting a family, Andrew and Sharon have realized the importance of life insurance, so they each choose a $500,000 quality of life insurance policy, which automatically includes the Select Choice Accelerated Benefit Rider with a flexible benefit at no cost. Sometime later, Andrew is diagnosed with coronary artery disease, and his doctor recommends bypass surgery, which is a covered critical illness. Even though Andrew is able to recover from his surgery, he and Sharon need help to pay medical expenses and other bills, so they choose to file a claim to accelerate $100,000 of Andrew's $500,000 life insurance coverage. This means that Andrew will receive a portion of his life insurance benefit now, before his death, which will reduce his original life insurance coverage and policy values. When Andrew files the claim to accelerate $100,000 of his life insurance coverage, it's determined that Andrew's coronary artery disease has definitely impacted his life expectancy. Based on Andrew's personal situation, the company offers $31,000 in cash as a flexible, accelerated benefit. Andrew can receive $31,000 today because his life expectancy has been moderately impacted and because he's choosing to receive his benefit many years before he's likely to die. If Andrew's life expectancy had been more severely impacted, he may have received a higher offer. Each quality of life insurance claim a customer makes is reviewed individually, so the exact flexible benefit payment he may receive can't be determined until a full assessment is made of his life expectancy after an event. That's a major difference between the no-cost flexible benefit, which is automatically included, and the optional defined accelerated benefit. The defined benefit option allows you to lock in a definite minimum percentage of your life insurance that can be paid for a qualifying event. You would receive this amount regardless of the impact to your life expectancy. To see how the defined benefit might work, let's look at another example. Even though she knows quality of life insurance includes a flexible accelerated benefit at no cost, Sharon also chooses to purchase a defined benefit of 10% of her $500,000 life insurance coverage, or $50,000. Breast cancer is a real concern for Sharon, so she feels better knowing that she could have this $50,000 to count on if she ever has a qualifying critical illness, such as invasive cancer. Unfortunately, Sharon's concerns turn out to be valid, and she's diagnosed with invasive cancer. To help pay her medical bills, she decides to file a claim. She receives her defined accelerated benefit of $50,000 without any regard to her change in life expectancy. Remember, 10% was the actual percentage Sharon herself chose when she purchased her policy. This money allows her to comfortably pay her treatment costs above and beyond what her group health insurance covered. Under the no-cost flexible benefit, the company also offers Sharon an additional $135,000 if she chooses to accelerate the remaining $450,000 of her policy at this time, but she decides not to do so. These cash benefits make all the difference in Andrew and Sharon's quality of life during their struggles to overcome their critical illnesses. Their stories are just 2 examples of how policy owners may choose to use their flexible and innovative quality of life insurance during their lifetime. It is truly life insurance you don't have to die to use. Now, think about your family and how their quality of life may be impacted if you suffered a serious qualifying illness or if you were to die prematurely. Now think about how their lives may be improved with your decision to purchase a quality of life insurance policy from American General Life.
Worst case scenario, if one of us passed away or if we had an illness, quality of life insurance would help us tremendously in the sense that it transitions from, sickness covers death and disability. It kind of meets you where you are through the process of whatever you're going through. And that's what I really like about it, is it's not just fitting one need. It's covering so much more and kind of individual, and it adapts. I feel like it's an adaptive policy. So that's really great.
Because quality of life insurance is life insurance you don't have to die to use, it may be extremely helpful to you and your family should you suffer any of the multiple qualifying events. And remember, if you are fortunate enough to remain healthy, your family will receive your entire life insurance benefit when you die, provided you've paid your premiums in a timely manner and haven't made any changes to your coverage. So either way, purchasing a quality of life insurance policy makes sense. We all have dreams for ourselves and for our families, and we want to protect our dreams no matter what tomorrow may bring. Because quality of life insurance is not your standard life insurance, AIG is specially training its agents and certifying them to sell this revolutionary coverage. Your agent has that certification and can help you decide how this innovative insurance solution can work for you and your family today while you're probably in good health and can qualify for this important coverage. Remember, it's your money, your insurance, your choice.